Really good event means an exceptional experience. Hands-on elements, hands-on training, certification are all really good things to make an event memorable.
If you have events already, hands-on labs are the simplest experience to put your product in your customers' hands at a very large scale.
Last year, people walking out saying, I had no idea the product actually did this. I'm gonna go right back into my job and I'm gonna build that entire dashboard, I'm gonna configure it right away. The hands-on experience, without that at the event, they just wouldn't have known.
The other thing we're doing at conferences is certifications. So now I can come to an event and then I can get certified and I can go back and say, hey, I now have this certification after having gone to the conference.
There was an event we did last year and over 98% of attendees opted into having a hands-on element to their conference.
By having these virtual machines with Skillable, it not only gives people the opportunity to use things that they don't have access to today, but they have access to it after the conference.
I'm in charge of helping train my team. So having those resources to be able to brush up on my skills before I go out and teach my team, it's going to be amazing.
The fact that they had the lab set up and everyone was able to log in and actually do actual hands-on things with what they were showing was really cool.
The attendees sit down, they press launch, they get a great instance, while behind the scenes we are ensuring every single one of those are running optimally.
They understand the value of putting people into the product. When you can get people into the product and touching and feeling it, it's literally the most important decision you can make for a live event.
So whatever kind of hands-on training or lab live event that you're looking for, our team can support you. We have everything from the technology to the content to the experts in-house to make your event whatever it is that you want it to be.